Welcome to Agrigar's journey into the world of multi-millet food processing. Today, we'll explore how we set up a millet processing industry and developed instant millet recipes that are nutritious and delicious. Millets are ancient grains known for their high nutritional value, drought resistance, and versatility. They include varieties like Jowar, finger millet, pearl millet, foxtail millet, Kodo millet, and Barnyard, etc. Setting up a millet processing industry involves several key steps. The first important factor is sourcing raw materials, which starts by sourcing high quality millet grains from reliable farmers, and we at Agrighar specialize in procuring from farmer producer organizations. The second important factor is processing equipment. Invest in essential processing equipment like dehullers, cleaners, grinders, and packaging machines, which is a must, and we specialized in linking up with authentic local machine manufacturers. Third important factor is quality control. Implementing strict quality control measures to ensure the purity and safety of our products. We at Agrighar ensure that we explore all possible options and include new technologies and interventions to maintain the quality, purity, and safety in our products. In fact, this reflects in our brand name NEईSHA, which means purity, life, and wellness. Fourth important factor is packaging and branding. You can develop attractive and informative packaging and create a strong brand presence in the market. The awareness on millets have grown in recent times, and most of us know that millets are packed with nutrients like fiber, protein, and essential minerals. They are gluten-free and ideal for balanced diet. The market for millet-based products is growing as more people seek healthy and sustainable food options. Once our processing plant is up and running, we emphasized on developing instant millet recipes just to reach to the consumers who understands the benefit of millets diet but are hesitant to use them regularly due to the time constraint in cooking millets. Since Agrighar is a food processing industry, we could develop our own instant millet mixes without much hustling, since we had dals, rice, and dried vegetables at one place, and we could customize the recipes as per our tastes. Using this expertise, we developed ready-to-cook instant millet mixes such as upma, idli, pongal, khichdi, and bisbelabath. Our product development did not stop with this, and our women staff were so much motivated to develop ready-to-eat instant millet snacks such as murkulu and savories like laddus. Our USP is that all our instant millet mixes comprise of more than 70% millets, and this makes us stand unique in the millet food industry. Hence, starting a millet food processing industry and developing instant recipes can be a rewarding venture. For more information and detailed guide, visit our website or contact us directly. Let's bring the goodness of millets to every table. Thank you.